Joe, hey Baz, got a minute? I'm trying to build a project, something that can do video summarization. Oh, video summarization? That's interesting. What kind of project are you thinking of? Joe, well, I'm not really sure where to start. I've heard a bit about using AI and LLMs, but it seems pretty complex. I'm hoping you might have some pointers. Video summarization is a complex problem. You've got to deal with understanding the visual content, the audio, and then condense it all into a coherent summary. It's not a simple task. Joe, exactly. That's why I'm feeling a bit lost. I'm not even sure what tools or technologies to use. Do you think it's even feasible for me to build something like this? It's definitely feasible, but it's going to take some work. There are a few approaches you could take. We could explore using vision language models to understand the video content, then use a large language model to create the summary. Joe, that sounds like a lot. I'm not sure if I have the expertise for that. Well, there are also some pre-built APIs and tools that might help. They can handle some of the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on the overall workflow. Joe, really? Like what? For example, NVIDIA has some interesting tools like the AI Blueprint for video search and summarization, and also their NIM microservices. Those could be a good starting point. Additionally, cloud providers like Google Cloud and AWS also offer video intelligence APIs that can be quite useful. Let's Go introduces a new approach to video analytics using NVIDIA's AI Blueprint for video search and summarization, enabling the creation of AI agents that can answer complex questions about video content. Traditional video analytics struggle with contextual understanding, context retention, and integration complexity. This solution leverages vision language models, VLMs, NVIDIA Morpheus SDK, and NVIDIA Riva to build a robust retrieval augmented generation (RAG) workflow. Key points. Challenges of traditional video analytics: limited understanding, context retention, and integration complexity. Solution: NVIDIA AI Blueprint for video search and summarization. Technology used: NVIDIA Morpheus SDK for LLM reasoning pipeline. NVIDIA Riva for automatic speech recognition and text-to-speech. Vision language models, VLMs. LLM NIM microservice. Workflow: video processing to create summaries and knowledge graphs. Speech-to-text conversion for user queries. LLM reasoning pipeline using Morpheus SDK. Context retrieval from video summaries, knowledge graphs, and internet searches. Final response generation using an LLM NIM microservice. Text-to-speech conversion for audio output. Use case: open-world question answering on first-person video streams, e.g., did I turn off the stove? Benefits: enhanced contextual understanding, improved context retention, and seamless integration of AI technologies. If you're excited to try this out yourself, I've added the NVIDIA GitHub link to the description below. You can find the AI Blueprint and everything else you'll need to get started. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.